Hello everybody. So today I'm just gonna show you how to monitor the system resources. So normally, what we have in Linux default is we have top, right? So if we do just stop, then it will just show you the normal function. So here you can see the resources and the CPU that is used by the uh, application and wake up time, right? Memory and all that. So next, this is at stop. So if we do at stop, then you can see the information that is very interactive. Here we have the same information, but it is more visually good. So here we have the CPU and memory swap and the load arrays, uptime and all that. So let's me show you the another tool that's used for this. So if I just open the terminal, so if I just do enlarge, then we have the beta. So if we do beta, right? So here we can see the same information that is this is a CPU, and then we had the memory that is available for the RAM, right? So there, so I have the 16 GB. Then we have the network. So right now I'm not using anything, so there is not much traffic on it. So if I just do this is the processes. So here what you can do is right now we have the free view. So if I just do E, right, so now we have the process ID program, then we have the command and the thread that has been used by the program. Now after this, right, so let's look at this GPU. And so if I were to just organize this, right, this information in the terminal, so I could do this. So right now, you can see this. If you don't want it, so you can do 1, 2, 3, 4. So as it is, right? So if you go on menu, so if you go on option, then you have the color that can be changed, and we have the background. So if you want to change that also, so we have the beam key binding also at scale. And we have next, what we can do is to show the battery. So if you don't want the battery percentage, right, so you can do remove that also. We can put it in false. So as you can see, false. Now you can customize it like that. So and we have the CPU. So if you want to change the graph, here I have the ideal graph, right? So if I were to change it, so it's changing. So I just want to put it on this ideal only. So let me go on 3 number. So after this, so next what I want to show is YouTube. So let me just create a new one. So new and glance. So you can use another tool called glance to just monitor the same thing. So it gives you more information over here. Here you can see the CPU, memory, load, and here you can see the Wi-Fi. So this is the default gateway. So we have the DIX that has been connected. We have the file system, total file system. We have the sensor for the CPU as well as for GPU, and we have this CPU that has been using. So Xorg Python, right, stop this all this year. So it is quite neatly organized. So here we have the system information. We have Linux 6.1 Manjari, right? And we have the AMD processor. We have the load. Then here is the swap memory. And so thank you guys